Hi friend, this is Tapas and welcome to this video. So in this video, we will learn how we can write an effective CV with the help of large language model like ChatGPT. So this is not only for ChatGPT, other large language model as well, like Copilot is there, Gemini is there. You can use any platform. So I will provide the prompt. So if you don't know what is prompt is nothing but your question, your query, your statement only. Okay, simple English language only. Okay, so in this particular video we will learn how we can write an effective CV, a professional, a standard CV or biodata or a resume with the help of large language model. So here is one prompt. The prompt is uh, we will tell ChatGPT, hey ChatGPT, you are a CV writing specialist with 15 years of experience helping professionals secure top roles. Okay, I want you to help me create an outstanding CV that includes the following sections like professional summary, experience, education, skills, award and recognition, publication, certification, voluntary experience, and then personal projects. Okay, you will build it step by step through a conversation. Okay, ask me for a one question at a time. You will ask me one questions, and if I say skip, exclude that section. Start by asking me about my current and most recent role. So this is one of the advanced and standard prompt I will use so that I can build I can create a CV or resume or a biodata with the help of large language model. Okay, so let me copy it and let me go to ChatGPT. This is the interface of ChatGPT. So here I will paste the prompt. Let me correct the grammatical something is there. Anyway, keep it like that way. Now let's press enter. So here it is. I'm again it is telling that you are a CV writing specialist with 15 years of experience helping professionals secure top roles. I want you to, so this is the role I am giving to ChatGPT. Okay, then I want you to help me create an outstanding CV with the following sections. So these are the sections. See, you can modify the prompt based on your requirement, based on your expectation. You can modify this prompt. Suppose here I have written few sections like professional summary, work experience, education, skill. So you can again modify. You can reduce something, add something. You can modify it anyway. So here it is. Great. Let's start crafting your outstanding CV. Please share details about your current and most recent role. So here it is asking few questions: job title, company name, and employment dates, start and end date, key responsibility and achievements. Okay, feel free to include all metrics or accomplishment that stand out. Okay, so here I will say my job title is suppose I would say uh, a data analyst, or I would say IT consultant. Shift enter. Now company name, suppose I would say random, I can say Google. Then based on your requirement, your details you need to provide. Here I am providing a random uh, random details. Employment detail, that's employment dates, suppose I would say 2020 to till date, suppose. And then key responsibilities and achievements. So key responsibility I will say I consult sorry I consult with business and core IT team about the requirements, about the business requirements and development. Suppose this is my responsibility. Okay, and key responsibilities and achievement, I would say I have completed 3 projects like this. I have 4 projects, or keep it like that. You can say I have completed 3 projects or 10 projects, like this, whatever you have you can tell. So let me press enter, and now let's see how ChatGPT can create a CV for me. Thank you for sharing. Let's expand your role to make it more impactful. Could you provide details on any specific achievements or contributions? See, again it is asking, so any specific achievements or contribution I have, example project completed, cost savings or efficiency improvements. Okay, and tools, technology or methodologies you frequently use in your consulting, metrics or outcomes like increase efficiency by dash percent, improve system of performance. Okay, so here I would say one, I completed 3 projects, 3 projects. Shift enter. Tools, technology and methodology. So I would say I am good at Excel, SQL, Power BI, Python. Okay, so I'm good at this thing. Sorry, the next thing I need to tell 2. Now let me tell 3. 3, it is asking metrics or outcomes, increase in efficiency by, so okay, I will improve system performance. So increase efficiency, I think I would say here it is the random thing I am providing. I think you have got the idea. So here I am not using it. Suppose 20% efficiency it has been increased. Okay, let's see now how ChatGPT can help me. So you need to provide all the detailed information, correct? So here I am using the random A, but in your case you need to provide the detailed information. Here is how you can frame your experience for maximum impact. IT consultant, Google. So this could be the heading time something, 22 202 present. Okay, IT consultant, and then collaborated with the business and core IT teams to analyze, uh, translate business requirements into effective development solutions, successfully completed 3 key projects, delivering result. This is it. And okay, leveraged expertise in Excel, SQL, Power BI. Okay, increase operational efficiency 20%. Okay, does it reflect your experience well? Feel free to suggest tweaks or additions. I would say it's okay. Or if you want to modify something, you can say no, yeah, it is not okay, so you modify it. So I would say it's okay. Let's see. Great. Let's move to your previous role before you current one. Please share. So here again, it is asking me a few questions like job title, company name, employee dates. These are the things. So I would say let's move to a previous role. So here I said current and most recent role. So here it is asking previous role. So I would say that is my first job. Previously, I did not do any job. Suppose for example, if you have the previous experience also you can share. Got it. Well, move to the next section, education. So here it has given me one section, correct, the first section, and now it is giving me the second section means the education section. Please share details about your highest degree, degree name, field of study, university and college name. Okay, graduation year. So here what I will do is I will copy this, and now this large language model ChatGPT will create a education section for me, because here I have given all the section, right? What are the section I need? Suppose I need a professional summary, work experience, education, skill, all the summary I want, right? So it will ask me all the things step by step. So here now it is asking the same thing. So let's copy it, let's paste it, and I would say let's provide the random thing. Suppose degree name, I think bachelor, then field of study, I think I would say keep it like that way, computer science. Okay, now university, let's see, Calcutta University. Then graduation year, put it like 2010. Now let's see how ChatGPT can help me. I have completed multiple let's okay, it is saying okay. So education, now it is creating my education section. So bachelor's in computer science, see Calcutta University 2010. Does it look good to you? If there are any additional details you would like to include, let me know. So if you think this is good, or if you want to modify it, so you can say something else, or modify please. So let's see how ChatGPT can help. I don't know how it will come. So see, previously it gave me education like this way. Now I said modify, I did not like that pattern, so you just change it. So now here it is saying here is an updated version of your education section with a more formal format. So education is like a bachelor of technology, BTech, okay, in computer science, okay, and then Calcutta University, see Calcutta University graduated in, it looks better, I think. So if you think this is better or this one is good, then you can use it. Otherwise you can again ask, okay, this is not also good, you give me something else, so it will work. Does okay, it is okay, I would say it's okay. Now see how, okay, now it is saying perfect. Next, let's move to the skills section. Please list any technical soft or transferable skills that you want to highlight. This could include things like software tools, programming language, communication skill, leadership. So again I will say Excel, suppose Excel, shift enter, SQL, Power BI, then W LEAUE, I think. Anyway, I don't know the spelling exact. Anyway, so then Python, W, okay, then Python. So suppose these are the skills I have only. Suppose I have given a random example here how you can list your skills like MS Excel, SQL, Power BI, W, Python. Is there any other skill you would like to add or highlight? No. Now let's see if you have any other, you can add it. Great. Now let's move into the awards and recognition. So I can skip. Well, I already informed that if I say skip, you will skip it, no problem. Let's move on the publications. Move on to publications. Have you published any articles, research papers, blogs, or books? Suppose if you, of course, suppose if you have, you posted in blogs, books, anything you have, you can say. So for this, for saving some time, what I can do is I would say no. Okay, so if you have, of course you have, I know, you can do it. Understood. Now let's process to the certification section. Do you have any certification related to your field, such as courses or training programs? So it is asking again, you can, the more details, the exact details you need to provide. What are the certification you have, you need to mention. What are the skills you have, you need to mention. What are the other degrees you have, you need to mention. So accordingly, after gathering all the answer, after gathering all the questions answer, it will craft a template for you. Okay, so now for this, suppose I would say no. Let's got it. Let's move to the voluntary experience. So I would say no. Okay, now all right, finally let's work on your personal project. Have you worked on the personal project, side hustle? Say I'm writing no. If I say yes, it will again ask me on that subject, correct? So here see, Now it has got the enough information, all the detailed information, because here I already informed these are the information you will ask me. I will provide these are the these are the points you will ask me, because I have given this the topic. So accordingly, it has given me all. It has asked me all the detailed information. See, here it is. Now see, now it has thank you for sharing all the details. Here is the summary of your CV so far. So yes, professional summary it has given like this. Work experience I have shared, so that's why work experience it has given me. This is the work experience. Education I have provided, that's why it has crafted for me. Skills I have given, so it has crafted the skills as well. If you would like to make any final adjustment or add more information, let me know. Otherwise your CV is ready to use. So what I can do is, what are the information I have given, based on that it has created a CV for me. So what I can do it, I can go to any kind of tools, like there are lots of tools are available, like any Word format is there, lots of templates are there, Canva is there, and there are hundreds of tools are available where we can take up a blank template, and there we can paste it, we can copy it and paste there. We can use the doc file as well. Lots of templates are there, Word section, doc file, Google doc file, lots of templates are there, professional templates are there. So we can copy this article, paste it there, and our CV is ready. You can see here I did not, I have skipped lot of points, like no, like that way I have skipped lot of points. In your case, what you will do is, you need to mention all the details, your education, your skills, your achievement, your job title, job role, responsibilities, all the detailed information you need to provide. So that if you provide all the details, it will be easy for large language model to craft a professional CV. So whatever I have given, what are the information I have given to ChatGPT, accordingly ChatGPT has crafted a CV for me. So it is also pretty good. See, professional summary, work experience. So now I will copy it, I will go to a blank template. So I can I think here I can go to any Word section or any other platform I can go. There are lots of tools are available. You can copy it, paste it there, and create your CV. It is good to go. Even Canva, free tool you can use. One of the best free tool, that is Canva. There also you can copy this thing, paste it, and your CV will be created. Okay. So yeah, that's it for this video. Only one thing you need to know, how to write an effective prompt. If you want to master how to write an effective prompt, there is one course, that is ChatGPT Prompt Engineering Mastery course. You can enroll that course. At the same time, this Excel I have used, right, this format, this sheet I have used. Here all the patterns are available. So 10,000 plus premium and advanced ChatGPT prompts are available. If you want to get this kind of prompt, you just copy it, paste it, and replace your content. If you want to get this kind of prompt, that is also available. So you can enroll that course, and you can take this access, you can take the access of this sheet as well. Okay, so that's it for this video. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.